the second time I'm doing this intro. But good morning, y'all. It's your boy Zell with Zell Small Engines. It feels weird saying that new name, but I like it. So today, I don't know if y'all remember the polling, right? Polling, old style polling. Let me show y'all. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. This booger right here. So today we're gonna be taking the carburetor off, and I don't know if I want to clean it or just replace it, because what I think is happening is the fuel solenoid on the bottom is not opening at all, or either it's closed, stuck. But I'm just gonna show y'all how to remove it real quick. I'm not gonna show the process of cleaning it because I've already done that, I think. And also, I don't know if I'm going to replace it. So to make this real simple and smooth, y'all, we're using hand tools today. Surprise, surprise, right? Now yours may be different, but I know it depends on it. A lot of factors play into it. Yours may be different as far as like bolt size right here, because some of my running cloths have a 10 millimeter and an 8 on the other side. Some have a 12 and some have a 13. It's weird. So this case on this one here is gonna be two 12s. Two 12s. Uh-oh. Y'all don't lose these. Your new carb might come with some. It should, but I think that's a factor that probably plays into it. Hey. Ooh, that is icky. Look at that. This is a newer carb that somebody put on here. Okay. These inside studs here, I gotta take those out. Those are probably gonna be like a shoot for the stars. Let's say 6 millimeter maybe. Let's try a 7. I think it's gonna be a 7. Not a 7 deep socket. So I'll tell y'all, you're gonna have multiple tool sets. No, it's not a 7. It's gonna be an 8. Surprise, surprise, right? No, even with the push motors, Briggs and Stratton load that old 8 millimeter. Nothing wrong with it though. I hope it's an 8. It's slipping like it is. Alright. And the John Deere D105 is officially on the market. I need to make space for something else. So my grass is slowed down as well. I can finish mine off with my Honda push mower for the rest of the year. My X300 is fixed now too, so I'll just put a battery on it and use it. Push come to shore, but alright. Gonna need another vacuum tube on her too. Ooh. Alright. So then you just unplug your solenoid down here at the bottom. Alright. The choke thing wasn't even sitting in there. Alright. Then you have to turn it kind of awkwardly to get that top one out. Just turn it till you get it right. Cause I have to do it sometimes with these. Best to turn it on its side like that though. Uh-oh. There you go. Don't lose this little white piece in there, because sometimes when you order these carbs, the replacement doesn't come with that. So, but this carb is definitely dirty though. Ooh. Weird. That's definitely dirty. This thing, the butterfly is like, it was so hard to turn and break loose. It should not have like that much resistance. It's crazy. The choke moves fine though, surprisingly. Those are the ones you usually have trouble out of though. But alright, let's get this thing over to the workbench and let's get the screwdriver and see how nasty it is. Alright y'all, so moving on to plan B, alright. I am forced to use my patio table, so it's okay though, y'all. Hold on, y'all, I gotta flip my screen around this way. Okay, hopefully I don't have to get back up again. Just want everything to be in view for y'all, so use the I'm forced to use my glass top patio table because I have not cleaned my workbench off yet. That's why I need another one, because that was before the carport came in, and the freaking I got both of those John Deere's under the house carport, and my workbench is right where the John Deere that I'm fixing the steering pinion on. So I now have this carport to store the ones that I'm not working on. Holy crap. Okay. That's another issue I have with these carbs. You want to use the right screwdriver thing, and now you're going to strip it out. And I didn't bring my impact out here, so. Dang, I should have put a towel down over here, but see all this gas out there. But you know what that tells me though? The solenoid on the bottom is the problem. Cause, oh y'all, I have to just end up replacing this thing. These screws, they are in there good. I stripped a few out of my day, trust me. But, that one don't fit. Oh, that one's too big. Gotta go down south. We're gonna get it together eventually, y'all. I promise. I need to just pull all the carbs off that I need to clean. Sit right here at this table and do those today. But today is my brother's birthday, so I'm going over there in a little bit. I'll bring y'all with me and see what he got going on. Oh my gosh. That sucker's in there. I might have to just replace this carb, y'all. This thing is really nasty anyway. I might just pull the one off of the one next to it. I know that carb runs good. That mower just has a head gasket problem, so. Alright, let's see what we get. Okay, we got a bit. Ooh, those are in there. Man, I'm just gonna replace this cheap carb. I'm not doing all of that. At least we got it off now, though. Ooh. Y'all, no wonder this thing wasn't starting. Look at that. Maybe I can see it, but you see that? That thing's getting out of there. Now I'm just gonna put a new carb on this thing. This thing's icky. Yeah, it was never gonna run like that. Wait, no. The guy did give me the original carb. I forgot what I did with it though. We'll just sit that right there for now. And that thing was never gonna start. I don't even want to know what the inside of it looks like. So we're gonna replace the carb, man. I need to order a few of them of that style anyway. They keep on hand. I come across a lot of those engines actually. So, alright, well, hold on. Alright, y'all. So I guess that was I'm not gonna say a fail. I need to pull it off to see what was going on anyway. It'll start with starting fluid, but I'm gonna keep spraying that down in the engine. So pretty much what we're gonna do with that one, we're gonna do an oil change. I need to order some carbs. Preferably one like this. I mean, because I can use it for multiple machines. Might just order 2 of them. The one that's on the John Deere now, I don't want to take that one off because I feel like it's gonna be I don't want the same thing to happen that just happened right there. So, well, y'all, today is a short video. I ain't got nothing else for y'all, man. Nothing else that I can start on today. I'm waiting on parts, man. Waiting on a lot of parts. I got the John Deere on the market, so if I have to deliver that to somebody today, I'll bring y'all along with me for that. But other than that, man, I ain't got nothing. So if I come back, yeah. If not, that's the end of the video. I had another video I wanted to do today, but I need to clean up and reorganize my shop area first before I do any of that. But we shall see. Guess we can schedule and plan it for next week, maybe. But yep. So let me get online and order order some carbs. Yeah. Still waiting on the head gasket for that Craftsman. And then I'll probably start on that. That's why I don't want to pull the carb off of that one, because I want to fix that one and I don't want to keep pulling parts off of it. I've already pulled the starter off of it to put on this Poland. I don't want to just keep snatching parts off of it. So, alright y'all, appreciate y'all for stopping by the video, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, show you boys some love. And we out of here.